Today I made a fun fold card using the same exact layout that I used the other day for a masculine card that I made with the Trusty Tools stamp set. So today I'm using the Flight and Airy Designer Series paper, and this is one of the free papers that you can earn during Celebration, which lasts just a couple more weeks. And I love that fun fold so much, and I had mentioned that it would be cool to try some other prints of paper, so I decided I'd better do it and see how it looks. So I just, again, completely featured the paper in this card. And so I'm going to have the measurements and everything on my website, close-up pictures and everything. And that's at madetocreatewithlisa.com. And you can see exactly how I made the card and what the measurements and the score lines are. So you see that I just featured the paper. I didn't even use any stamps except the sentiment stamp set that I used here. So it did take me a little while to cut that out, but honestly, it's so beautiful that I just couldn't resist. And to see, there's the perennial postage stamp set, which I love the font and the sayings, the sentiments in that stamp set. So I added on a few gems here, and then we're gonna put a little something on the inside, and it'll make it so that you can write on the inside of the card. So see how the other side of the paper is beautiful too. And so we'll just add this little bird in, and it just totally finishes the card off. I hope you like this card. I just think this is the coolest layout, and so I love the way that this one turned out too. So I hope you'll hop over to my website and check it out, and don't forget that you can cash in on Celebration until the end of February. Hop on over to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I'll talk to you again soon.